Alright, so I'm with Tyler over here at the Thailand Expat Language School. So Tyler, how has your experience been of studying at this school?
Good. They explained everything before I came, so I knew what I was going to be doing. I knew what to expect. And then when we got here, straight to business. Just go to see the classroom, see the teacher, and then do the paperwork, and then go to immigration.
And so would you say how easy it is to get ED visa through this school, Thailand Expat Language School over here?
Very easy, very simple process. No problem.
And what do you think about the teaching experience over here? Like, how are the teachers? Are they easy to understand, or is this harder for you?
The teacher's English is on point, and she is very passionate, so I can see the classes should be okay.
And what do you think about the location of this school? Is it easy for you to reach this school, or is hard?
Location is good because the roads are open. It's not congested, and I can park my bike. So it's good location. Easy to see as well.
All right. And would you recommend this school to your friends or family if they want to live in Thailand for a longer time period? They want ED visa and study at a school?
Oh,
Would
for
you
sure.
recommend?
Yeah, I will.
All right, Tyler. Thanks for your kind words. We'll see you again soon.
No problem. Thank you.